Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Donkey Kong Country on your PC. Playing classic console games on modern computers is possible through emulation. You will need two main components, an emulator program and the game's digital file, often called a ROM. This process allows you to relive the adventures of Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong with enhanced visuals and custom controls, bringing a beloved classic to your desktop. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a smooth experience. SNES 9X is a highly recommended option for Super Nintendo games, known for its stability and ease of use. Another excellent choice is RetroArch, which acts as a unified front-end for multiple emulation cores, offering extensive customization. Both provide excellent performance, allowing you to enjoy Donkey Kong Country just as it was intended. Once you have your emulator, the next step is to obtain the Donkey Kong Country game file, known as a ROM. After downloading, you might need to extract it from a compressed archive like a ZIP file. Then, open your chosen emulator and use its file menu to load the ROM. This simple process will launch the game, ready for you to begin your adventure. For the best experience, connect a USB gamepad to your PC and configure its buttons within the emulator settings. Alternatively, you can map controls to your keyboard. Take some time to adjust video and audio settings to your preference, perhaps enabling a 2x resolution scale for sharper visuals. Remember to use the emulator's Save State feature to save your progress at any point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.